Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Freelancer.com, and in today's video from the forest, I want to ask you the question: are you too busy to make money? So this is a common issue I found. So if you are, say, a coder and you work for a company and you are stressed all the time, right? So you have deadlines, you are working maybe 10 hours per day for the company. You go there, you need to drive to the company, you need to take a break in the like a lunch break for an hour, then you need to drive back, and you are easily working 12, 13 hours a day. You are going home completely burned out, completely stressed, and completely you cannot actually think of any way to actually break out of the rat race. So this is a very common pattern that many people experience, many employees experience. They are too busy to actually make money, and so of course we are, like many of them, especially as coders, make six figures incomes as employees. But oftentimes it is like still they cannot actually save money. They cannot. Don't have a lot of time left to optimize the structures in their day that really make them significant money. For example, creating a business online, a side business, maybe may make you 3-4 times more money than you could make as an employee, and you have many benefits as well, right? So for example, writing things like as a tax, writing things off as a tax deduction, or just making more on an hourly basis, right? So for example, so there are many activities. If you are a business owner, there are many activities you can do that actually pay you $1,000 to $10,000 per hour, right? And oftentimes these activities mean that you optimize your business system in a way. And by optimizing, say if you have a six-figure business running, coding business, if you optimize this business by 10% in a given year, it is actually, you make $10,000 more every single year. And there are many steps. So as an employee, it is not easy to increase your income by 10%. You cannot do it but like going for a walk, thinking about your employed relationship and your daily activities. Oftentimes it's not possible, like on a walk, to come up with an idea that has the potential to increase your income by 10%. But as a business owner, it is easily possible. I've done it multiple times. I can't even count the number of times I have made those like walks in the forest, thinking about my business, thinking about my life, my strengths, my weaknesses, and just restructuring my business in order to make 10% more money almost immediately, right? Like in the first month after applying the idea and putting the idea into practice. And it's just like having time and being in a relaxed state, and like, for example, having a good night's sleep, right? And sleeping, maybe having a sleeping break, a nap every afternoon or so, right? And these kind of things actually that relax your mind, and that add some time and creativity into your life, into your daily life, often can yield exponential results for your life. And if you don't take your time pursuing those like big picture ideas, you actually won't reap the rewards, won't reap the benefits of those optimization steps, right? So what are some examples? Examples are, for example, refocusing your whole business. So for example, if you are currently working as a Python developer, but you are really excited about the blockchain industry, now you offer maybe combining rewrite your gig description to actually offer Python blockchain related services, right? And now you have completely repositioned your business, and by doing so, you actually are more attractive to a certain group of clients, and oftentimes you can charge more than 10% more per hour by just repositioning your business in order to suit your individual passions and skill levels in a much better way. So these type of thinking breaks, if you take them on a daily basis, you can exponentially increase. You can like work half as much and make twice as much money in the and have twice as much the results and get twice as much done, or even more over time, right? If you leverage those improvements one upon the other. And oftentimes they are even like, you can layer those type of improvements. For example, like going for a walk, one time you decide to reposition yourself in the industry. The second time you go for a walk, you decide to you have a new idea, a creative way to for example, to formulating your value proposition to customers on, say, Upwork, so that the conversion rate of those customers who actually stumble upon your profile increases, right? And those two things, both independently of each other, may increase your business by 20%. So if you start with 100K and you increase your business by 20%, you are already by 120K. And now you increase your business by 20% even more, you have like 20% of the 20% increase. You layer those on top of each other, so you have like a cumulative accumulation behavior, right? So compounding behavior. So you have like 20% of 120K is like what is it? 24K, even more. So you go from 120 to 144, right? So you have like the 4K extra by layering those, by compounding those type of improvements. And if you do it like twice a year, right? Even if you go for a walk 365 days in a year, and you work half as much on a given day, like layering, having those two improvements that both increase your business by 20%, two ideas out of like hundreds of walks can increase your income by 40% or more in a given year. And that's it. That's everything you need to do in a given year in order to increase your level of success and to completely disrupt yourself. So oftentimes it is valuable to take your time. And if you don't have the time, if you don't have the mental space and the mental capacity to involve to go into some creativity, maybe it's time for you to switch jobs, and maybe it's time for you to build your second income stream as a freelance developer. If you are interested in this route, you can definitely check out the Fix the Freelancer course. I will leave a link in the description below. Also, subscribe to the channel, give me a like and subscribe. I release many of those free videos and how-tos and business strategy videos on a regular basis. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, and see you in upcoming videos. Bye.